Let's say we want to calculate our compound interest for this amount. We want to put up a savings or investment account such that we have a starting amount, which is $10,000, and we want to contribute subsequently $200. So, what will be the future value of this over the period of 10 years with this annual rate? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use the formula of future value, FV, then we're going to pick our annual rate divided by a year, 12 months, comma. We pick our year multiplied by a year, that's 12 months, then comma. We're going to put minus sign here, minus our monthly contribution. Why do we put minus? Because it's the money going out, so we're putting that money away so that our actual future value will not be negative also. So we have to put that negative value. Then minus the starting amount, the amount we are starting with, then close the bracket, press enter. So in the next 10 years, saving $200 every month with a starting amount of $10,000 will amount to $54,713.58 in total. So that's how to calculate a growth valuation of any savings or investment over time.